Guys, one of the hardest things that dog trainers face that I get from the 200 members in our dog trainer syndicate is that it's hard for them to find, keep, and grow good staff. Listen, leadership is not inherent on itself. It is something that takes years, and it takes mentorship, and it takes education to be a good leader. I promise you, all of the greatest leaders in history had amazing mentors. And if you're looking for a great mentor environment, supportive place where you're gonna learn how to build your company from a basement of a house all the way to a 7-figure and beyond dog training company, the 7-Figure Dog Trainer Syndicate is your place to go. It currently has over 200 members that are in the 7-Figure Dog Trainer Syndicate, and we created this amazing ebook 2.5 years ago that's been just crushing it for people and opening dog trainers' eyes about everything from value ladders to pricing structure to advertising tactics, techniques. It's the most amazing thing that's never existed until it was created 2.5 years ago, and dog trainers have been thriving all around the United States. We have countless success stories of individuals that are getting 10x returns on advertising, utilizing brand new, amazing software that they were never implementing into their companies, allowing them to scale, multiply, and grow. So if you're interested in learning more, I encourage you to click the link below, get the ebook, and I will see you on the inside of the 7-Figure Dog Trainer Syndicate so you can build yourself a massive facility and live the dreams and have the quality of time with your family that you are so desiring. It's one thing to basically be creating a job for yourself, and it's another thing to be building a massive company that is a recognized brand across the United States. So whether you want to stay at the level of at-home dog trainer and make that 10K a month, or you want to take it to the next level, bringing in 100, 120, 150, 180K a month, and building and mentoring and creating a legacy that will lead on forever, then you need to join the 7-Figure Dog Trainer Syndicate, and I can't wait to work with you guys. All of you guys rock.